There needs to be incentive and reward for farm workers to be willing to come and do the necessary pruning. Big machinery is not able to do it as well as human hands, but the human hands either take money or work trade. Work trade is difficult and tenuous, tedious. So one incentive is that the education value of learning to start and manage your own hemp farm is invaluable at this point. It's a giant new industry, one that's been proven in the past to have local and global market, except now the medicinal value and the recreational value is even greater than the industrial alone. So one major incentive besides the education and the process of being of value to a farmer or grower is connecting with the plants on a spiritual level. And that may be nothing more than gardening as meditation. So when it comes to tending to an entire field, one of the strategies is making sure the workers, when they come out here, that they stay out here. It's easy to get bored and want to leave and just go do something else. Go to the bathroom, get something to eat, go read a book, go watch a movie. But what needs to be done is just keep working with the plants, keep trimming until you get into the Zen.